Want a more reliable way to download YouTube videos directly to your PC? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a local yt-dlp server with a custom Chrome extension. It's fast, secure, and gives you total control over where your files are saved. Let's get started. First, download the source files from the link in the description. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file to a permanent folder on your computer, like your Documents folder, so the link doesn't break later. Inside, you'll see two main folders, backend-exe and browser plugin. Now, open the backend-exe folder and launch the yt-dlp-server-ui program. This is the engine that handles your downloads. Here, you can define your preferred server port and choose the specific folder where you want your videos to be saved. Once you're ready, click Start Server. Remember, this window needs to stay open in the background whenever you want to download videos. Next, let's add the extension to Chrome. Go to your address bar and type chrome://extensions. In the top right corner, toggle on Developer Mode. Now, click Load Unpacked on the top left and select that browser plugin folder we extracted earlier. To make it easy to access, click the puzzle piece icon in your toolbar and pin the yt-dlp downloader. Now, just go to any YouTube video, click the extension icon, and hit Download to PC. Your video will start downloading instantly to your chosen folder. It's that simple. If you run into any issues, just make sure your server program is still running in the background. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.